modern medicine is moving beyond symptom control, towards natural biological repair. One of the most exciting breakthroughs today is exosome therapy. Exosomes are tiny, naturally occurring messengers released by cells, especially stem cells. They carry RNA, proteins, and growth signals that help cells repair, rebuild, and respond to injury. Research shows exosomes play a key role in cell communication, immune regulation, and healing, without containing any living cells. When injected into damaged tissue, exosomes immediately begin communicating with local cells, reducing inflammation and activating the body's own repair processes. They support regeneration of skin, joints, nerves, and organs, helping the body restore balance, even in severe inflammatory conditions. Exosome therapy offers powerful anti-inflammatory effects, enhanced tissue repair, faster recovery, and a safer, cell-free alternative to traditional regenerative treatments. Exosome therapy is being explored across multiple medical fields: orthopedics, neurology, skin and wound healing, autoimmune disorders, metabolic conditions, and heart repair. With a high safety profile, no donor matching, easy storage, and compatibility with other regenerative treatments, exosomes are shaping the future of regenerative medicine. Global research confirms that exosomes act as natural healing messengers, supporting tissue repair and influencing immune behavior across multiple organs. Exosome therapy requires expert evaluation and ethical oversight. Stem Cell Care India supports patients with consultations, eligibility assessment, and safe treatment planning.